We all know that love doesn't require money, but marriage, well, that's a different story altogether. And if money is becoming a problem in your marriage plans, don't worry. Today on Republic Money, I'm going to tell you about 2 government schemes that can help you out. So let's start with the first scheme, which is the intercaste marriage scheme by the central government. Through this scheme, when 2 people from different castes get married, they receive a monetary incentive of rupees 2.5 lakhs. Sounds great, right? But before you start dreaming of that extra cash, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, make sure your marriage is registered under the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. Secondly, the scheme only applies to first marriages. So if you've walked down the aisle before, unfortunately, you're not eligible for this scheme. And lastly, you need to apply within 1 year of getting married to qualify for the scheme. So let's talk about the benefits. The couple receives 1.5 lakh rupees in their joint bank account, and the remaining amount is fixed as a fixed deposit for 3 years. So you will essentially be getting this amount later along with the interest. Not bad, huh? But remember, giving false information can get you into trouble. So play it straight, or you might find yourself explaining things to the cops. Finally, if this scheme sounds like it could work for you, you can download the application form from the website linked in the description below. Now, if 2.5 lakhs doesn't sound like it's enough, don't worry. The Rajasthan government has got you covered. There's something better. They're offering rupees 10 lakhs if you marry outside your caste. But as they say, with great rewards requires great eligibilities, so here are the conditions. Couples who want to avail the benefit of this must have combined income less than rupees 2.5 lakhs. Both the individuals should be under the age of 35, and also the couple should not have been convicted in any criminal case. So shady past can put you off the list, so be careful, huh? And finally, the scheme is exclusive to couples living in Rajasthan. That's a caveat we know. Now, if you qualify on all these criteria, you get rupees 5 lakhs upfront in a joint bank account, after submitting all the necessary documents, of course. Now, the other 5 lakhs you must be wondering, well, that's locked in a fixed deposit for 8 years, earning you interest all along the way. So want to read the fine print? We've given the link to the policy document in the description, so do check that out. That's all in today's video. We'll meet again in the next video with some more finance. Until then, stay happy, keep loving, and yes, don't forget to send that wedding invite. We're waiting it.